Ever notice how price suddenly spikes, takes out stop losses, then reverses hard? That's liquidity hunting, and the Buyside and Sellside Liquidity Indicator, MT4, helps you spot it before the big move happens. This strategy is based on smart money concepts and liquidity zones. The indicator automatically marks buy-side liquidity above highs and sell-side liquidity below lows, where retail traders often place stop losses. Institutions target these zones to grab liquidity before pushing price in the real direction. Buy setup. First, identify the overall market trend on the higher time frame, like H1 or H4. Look for sell-side liquidity resting below equal lows, swing lows, or support areas. Wait for price to sweep below those lows and trigger stop losses. After the liquidity grab, watch for strong bullish rejection candles or a bullish break of structure. Enter the buy trade once price closes back above the liquidity zone with momentum confirmation. Place your stop loss below the liquidity sweep low. Take profit at the next buy-side liquidity zone, resistance level, or previous swing high. Sell setup. Look for buy-side liquidity resting above equal highs, swing highs, or resistance zones. Wait for price to spike above those highs and sweep liquidity. After the liquidity grab, watch for bearish rejection candles or a bearish break of structure. Enter the sell trade once price closes back below the liquidity zone with bearish confirmation. Place your stop loss above the liquidity sweep high. Take profit near the next sell-side liquidity zone, support level, or previous swing low. The best liquidity grabs usually happen during the London Open or New York session, when volatility and institutional activity are highest. Avoid trading liquidity sweeps during quiet market hours. The buy-side and sell-side liquidity indicator. MT4 helps traders understand where smart money may target liquidity before major reversals and breakouts happen. Visit ForexMT4Indicators.com to download the free buy-side and sell-side liquidity indicator, templates, and more advanced Forex trading tools.